Becky, and welcome to a video today. I wanted to do an unboxing of something that was sent to me. This is a new skin device. It is from the company called Compare, and they sent me this device for me to try, and I'll be sharing this with you over the next 90 days. I'll come back next week and show you what maybe has happened or nothing has happened, if it's the same or if we're starting to see some improvement from my skin. Now this device, this is what it looks like in the box. You also get the instructions, which I've had out to read. I wanted to read them really well because I'm kind of scared of devices, I'll be honest with you. I appreciate Compare sending this to me. Of course, it was gifted to me. I did not pay for it, but I did tell them I would share it with you on YouTube and TikTok. So this is what the device looks like. It comes in several different colors. It does several different things. Of course, it does skin rejuvenation, all kinds of, there's the red light in there, and you get the cord, and you get a little bag with it, and then they also send you the hyaluronic acid serum to use with this. You know, you have to use the serum or it's not going to work when you're wanting to get the rejuvenation or the stimulant, the electrical stimulant. Now the instructions comes in several different languages. There is English in here toward the back. It tells you how to clean it. It tells you about, there's an app that goes with it if you want to use the app. It shows you the instructions of how to do the serum when you're using the device. And of course it mentions, you know, everything that it can do. And as I said, first this is in the unboxing, and I will start using it tonight. This is Monday, May 2nd. So I will start using it tonight, and I'll report back in a week and let you know how I'm feeling about it, if it's working, and you know, if it's difficult to use and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching this short video and short unboxing, and I hope to see you again later in the week. Love you. Bye.